Hello everyone, my name is Chris po. I'm a homeschooling mom of two. We're based here in the UAE. So if you're new to our channel po, our channel is about sharing information po about homeschooling and our homeschooling journey. Today po, I'm going to share with you our homeschooling planner. So this is my planner. So meron akong dalawang ganito because I have two students. So yung harap nito, gagawin pa namin siya ng mga artwork. So maybe we'll customize it. You know, depende sa kanila kung anong gusto nilang ilagay sa front page. Usually, they create artworks and then we'll put it on top with their names so that we know kung para kanina tong folder na to. So I usually use ring binders. So this is a white ring binder that I've used. So I'm going to show you what's inside, kung ano po yung mga nasa pages and how I use those pages. So this nice homeschool planner I've downloaded from Pinterest. So marami pong makikita kayong mga pre-made na mga planners kung magre-research kayo. Pero this one I've downloaded from Pinterest. So it's under 101 planners. So marami rin po silang mga iba-ibang klaseng planners doon. So you may check that out. I'll share po yung link sa description box. Actually, sa Pinterest, ang dami mong ring makakuha mga resources doon, no? Yung kung gusto nyo yung medyo kika yung yung mga planners nyo, yung mga pages nyo. Pero this one kasi, I've printed as grayscale kasi, you know, I'm on a budget. Meron na talaga akong ginagamit sa sarili ko mga forms so since last year pa. So I may not use all of the sheets that's in here, pero I'll just use siguro yung mga bagay dun sa homeschooling style namin. So on this page, all about us page, so andyan yung family name, yung school year, yung if you want to put the phone number, yung email, and the grade of the student. On the other side, kasi nakukulangan ako sa information, so I've added about me page, which shows the age, yung height, yung favorite color niya, favorite food, hobby, talent niya, the people that he likes, you know, all other information na gusto kong i-record para meron lang akong reference in the future. I think it's a good add-on lang for me kasi at least makikita ko by next school year yung height niya, anong nabago, yung favorite niya kung meron bang nabago, yung hobby niya, may nadagdag ba, or talent niya, may nabago ba. It's just a nice addition for me. This page naman, it's just for the birthday, so these are just important dates to remember. And on this page naman, nagkaroon lang ako dyan nung rough draft nung year plan namin. So, I'm using my old form na lang. On this page naman, yung goals for the year, you can list down the goals na gusto nyong i-achieve this school year. So, for me, kinausap ko yung mga anak ko kung ano mga gusto nilang matutunan this year. So, you can just list down the goals and then meron dito yung steps to take to reach the goal, yung target date, yung progress made, at saka kung na-reach ba yung goal. So, for me, kinausap ko yung mga anak ko. So, for my son, he wants to learn daw more carpentry. So, gusto niyang matutunan kung paano gamitin yung mga tools. And he also wants to play harmonica because I normally encourage them to learn at least, you know, an instrument per year. This page naman, vision board, so you can just fill in yung ideal homeschool climate nyo and then your teaching philosophy. Then yung vendor supplies page, quotes log if you have, password log page, so reading log naman for the books that they've read. You may also record your homeschool expenses if you want. Meron din datong page for that. Any notes also you want to add, there's a page for that as well. There's also a sketches page. And meron din po dito yung goals na page. For me po, I'm gonna use this also as a tracker po dun sa mga activities, yung goals and projects. So meron kang checkbox dito that you can check kung nakumpleto na yung mga projects or goals. And then pwede nyo rin po ditong ilagay yung due date. Next naman is the attendance. So you can just, for me, I've used it as attendance for the whole year. So sinulat ko na lang yung mga months on top of each column. Meron din ditong checklist page. So you can list down your checklist. Merong checkbox and then due date. You can check naman na lang po each list kung nakumpleto na. So So the next page is the weekly schedule. So ito na po yung ginagamit ko as weekly planner. So andyan yung time period, yung days of the week. And then nililista ko rin yung mga time na ina-allocate ko for each subject, yung mga breaks nila. So for this particular page, I do have 40 sheets nito kasi we have 10 weeks per quarter. And then the homework sheet, so you can use this if you want to have a list of homeworks for the week. So you may print lang each week kung gusto niyo weekly kayo nagpe-prepare ng homework na activities para sa mga bata. And then there's this month in review. So I think this is the assessment para sa atin. So I don't do month review. I only do quarterly review. So I might change this one. There's a year in review page. Meron na ring grade chart, quizzes summary, then field trip log, na yung assessment form ko, reflection page para sa field trip. Also added blank pages lang for pag meron ako mga notes na gustong ilagay. The following forms I have naman is what we use for our specific studies like music study, artist study, nature study, and so on. We use music study form if you want to study about a particular piece. And then we have photo analysis sheet. So this is what we use when we study about a picture or a photo, where they are usually asked to remember what they see. So this is actually a good practice para sa memory nila. The next one naman is the science experiment sheet. So this is what we use whenever we have experiments and activities in science. This musician study form naman is what we use if you want to learn more about a musician's background and their famous pieces. And then we have short story analysis form. So this is what we use pag nagbabasa kami ng mga stories, and then after magbasa nila ng stories, ina-narrate back nila yun sa akin. And then after that, itong form na to, ginagamit nila ito para mabigyan nila ako ng summary, kung ano naalala nila sa first part, middle part, at saka yung end part. And then this last form naman is the artist study form, which is what we use pag nag-aaral kami about famous artists like Picasso, Da Vinci. So yung background nila, we study about it. Yung mga famous paintings nila, we even try to yung copy yung work nila. So this is an opportunity for me to ask them to do a painting, mga artworks. So yan yung content nung year planner ko. And the following naman, I'm gonna show you how I actually fill in yung weekly planner namin. So as an example, I'm gonna use yung computer book. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to divide the lessons po and spread it sa buong year. So sa isang taon kasi meron tayong 40 weeks. So every quarter po I'm allocating 10 weeks. So sa 10 weeks po na yun, i-spread out ko yung mga lessons. So halimbawa, ang isang book is meron siyang 40 lessons. So, yung 40 lessons na yun, so of course, you have to spread it out into 1 year. So, ang mangyayari dyan, of course, since 40 lessons, since meron tayong 10 weeks per quarter, so ang magiging schedule natin dyan is magiging 1 lesson siya per week. Ang gagawin ko na dyan, since meron ako yung weekly schedule namin, so dun sa weekly schedule, mag-allocate po ako ng isang araw na merong subject na computer. So usually, I allocate 1 hour per subject. So ito po yung daily schedule namin. So as you can see, nag-allocate ako ng 1 hour every Tuesday para sa computer subject. So, example naman, merong mga subjects na medyo marami yung lessons. Halimbawa, yung math. So, kunwari, 80 lessons naman siya per, yung isang sa buong book. So, the entire book is 80 lessons. So, magkakaroon ka ngayon ng schedule na 2 times a week instead of once a week lang. So, nasa sayo kagaya sa akin, nag-allocate na lang ako ng 3 times a week na 1 hour each lesson po siya per day. So, sa schedule ko, meron akong Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday na 1 hour each day para sa math subject. So, here's an example ng isang page ko sa weekly schedule. So, yung iba dyan na fill-upan ko na. So, I have more subjects pa to go. So, I'm looking forward na matapos ko siya this week. Kasi gagawin ko naman para dun sa isa ko pang anak. So, meron pa akong isang buong planner na tatapusin ulit. Thank you for joining me today. If nakatulong po sa inyo itong video na to, please do share. If hindi ka pa po nakapag-subscribe sa channel namin, please do subscribe. And you may also click the notification bell button para makareceive po kayo ng mga updates sa mga bagong video uploads namin.